Bill Hazard. Welcome to Novo. We have a family of companies here. We have a new company which we're starting, which we're going to talk about today, which is Novo Lean Solutions. We have our internal improvement team here, and we are constantly developing products and using these products internally. And the concept here is to sell those externally. So we have a group here that's fantastic of young engineers who are working on developing and refining these solutions, and it's a product we think it will help a lot of other companies in their improvement journey. So the concept with Novo Lean Solutions is this is going to help accelerate our improvement as well as help our customers accelerate their improvement. So we are constantly challenging how we do things and what we do. We're actually designing these solutions for our processes, and then we're also refining them and getting to a point where we think they're products which we could sell externally. So first product which we're launching actually this week is our Novo Lean Solution team member workstation. What we've done is basically refined what's on the market here. So this is one of our workstations, one of our prototype workstations. The neat thing is usually what you do is you buy 80/20 or you buy preform, and your engineering team has to design and make something. So what we've done is taken that much further. So we have a much more refined solution. Everything on this workstation can be adjusted without a tool, so it's very flexible. So that makes your improvement lead time, if you want to change something, improve something, very quick. So if I want to move this down an inch, right? There's two handles on this side, there's two handles on that side. I rotate those 180 degrees and I can adjust. Let's say I need to change over to another part, right? And it takes a different size container, right? All I need to do is rotate that 90 degrees and I can move that. And there's also the same mechanism on the back. So it's just by far a much more flexible system than what's on the market today. So as we develop improvements, or our consulting group who's working with clients develop solutions to problems, what we can do is incorporate these into the station. This is a pallet system which we use. So we can have multiple of these together, where this is a U-shaped cell and these pallets go around. You can either move this pallet to the parts, or you can lock this pallet in place and it'll stay in place. There's a lot of accessories like parts trays. We've got an extension unit here. We have tool balancers. We have a lighting system. We have a location to hold the operator's cell phone. So a lot of different accessories which we're adding here, which if you're implementing in your company, these are all little problems which you have to solve. And what we've done is come up with really good solutions for those problems that you can just buy off the shelf. And I think it makes it much easier for companies who may be limited in resources to design and build all this stuff, maybe under the gun from a time standpoint to put something in place that's really good. It gives them a solution which really hasn't been available in the past. I've gone through some of the mechanical pieces of things which we're doing. We're also working on the software side. We're developing solutions like production tracking, right? So we can track cycle times and understand, what's happening in the process. We are developing an and-on system to integrate in, so that's kind of off the shelf. You have this available with our products. We're actually working on video systems where you can show an experienced operator and then compare that to another operator to show them how to do their work. So there's a lot of additional software products which we're working on that would help you in your journey as well. What we're working on is both the mechanical piece and the software piece to work together. Production analysis boards integrated into our solution, so it really becomes kind of an off-the-shelf solution, which to my knowledge I've never seen available in the market today. We have a tremendous team here who is constantly working on these products. Every one of these problems which you have to solve in manufacturing takes a lot of time and resource, and really to come up with a refined and very well designed solution takes a lot of time. So we're definitely looking to work. We want to help companies and help them refine these solutions and support them in any way we can.